really tired of doing my hair. Dropping my camera. It's not the fact that I don't like my curls, but it's just to the point where it's just like when it keeps staying down. I don't know. I'm just tired of it. There. So I wanted to do braids, and I wanted to show you guys how I prep for braids. Braids, I usually keep it in, I'm not gonna lie, max 2 weeks. I get bored. Again, I just need to change up my hair. I love trying new wigs, trying new hairstyles. I just won't dye it permanently. That's one thing I came to the conclusion. Like, I don't think I'll dye my hair until I'm 40. When I'm 40, I'm gonna cut my hair all the way down, a little bit shorter than a grain of rice, that short, and then dye my hair platinum blonde. But until then, I'm gonna keep my hair this color. Lately, it's been in a bun because it's like that transition of like one hairstyle to another. My little sister, she came back, she graduated. Both of them, they graduated, they're twins if you guys didn't know. And they went into residential school where they stay there, but they came back and now she can do my hair. So I'm gonna do 6 braids down, and I also wanted to add beads, so I might have to go get some. Right now, what's in my hair is I made a mask with, usually I have a bunch of things, but I just kept this simple avocado, bananas, mayonnaise, and grapeseed oil. The reason I didn't pick olive oil is because I ran out, and I literally was looking around the house. I use grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is like that olive oil thickness. It's really good for your hair, but you know, olive oil is really good. It's like that nutrient, that food for your hair. I'm gonna leave this in for like 30 minutes. And tonight I'm gonna wash my hair, and I'm gonna do like the extra cleansing. So it's like a 2-step shampoo that I do. You guys probably have seen it. If you haven't, stay tuned, because this will clean your scalp. No more residue, no more products from last week, nothing. It's just gonna, your hair's gonna smell good, and it's just gonna feel squeaky clean. So it's been an hour, almost like 30 minutes hour. I'm not in my bathroom, I'm in my parents' bathroom, because they have like that shower head that comes off, and then it's easier to do your hair, and the water pressure is As I mentioned before, there's a 2-step cleansing process. So what I have in here is the Perry bottle, and I just have the Jamaican black castor oil, Shea Moisture shampoo, and then I also have apple cider vinegar, because apple cider vinegar is really good to clean your scalp. And I need my scalp clean since I'm gonna be braiding my hair. Cream of Nature sulfate-free shampoo, and it smells really good. It's creamy, moisturizing. As I'm washing this, the double cleanse, I use this. It vibrates, and then I clean my scalp. So I'm back in my bathroom. It took me a long time to do my hair because I was trying to get that apple cider vinegar smell out of my hair. I don't like it. It smells like feet, armpit, skunk, all of that together. I used the Cream of Nature, and I do not smell I don't smell it anymore. The smell kind of went away quickly. Like, I just kept scrubbing it though, that's why. I came up here, and I want to say, I usually use, you know, the rosemary leave-in, or I use this sometimes. This is my sister's, but it's the Protein Shea Moisture, because my hair is very sensitive to protein. But I used to use this all the time. It's the Shea Moisture Honey Manuka Deep Conditioner. I used to use it all the time. I used to do wonders to my hair. And then when I started using other ones, like the Night Your Mother's one, everything, those were better for my hair. It was just something with the formula that made my hair softer. I haven't used this since lockdown, since 2020 lockdown. So I'm gonna see how it is, if it still works on my hair. I think I like these squirt ones way better than the mist. I feel like it drenches my hair, which I like better. I have like a travel size one I got from Walmart. It's the best, because it's like easy to fit in. This is not it. It's like even smaller. It's like this big. And then it holds the right amount of water that you need. Especially like when you're traveling, you don't need too much inside the spray bottle. Now I'm only gonna leave this in for like 5 minutes. Okay, so I think that's too much, a bit too much. I kind of forgot. I thought it was leave-in conditioner for a second, because this is how I part my hair for leave-in conditioner, because I want every strand to have it. But this is just deep conditioner. I don't need to do all that. I need to get one like this. This thing sprays. It takes out water. Anyway, I'm really excited to do my hair. Like the braids and everything. I love having braids like for the first few days. And then after a week, I'm kind of tired of it and I want a new hairstyle. So that's the only thing. And the one thing is like dipping my hair after I braided my hair. I just feel the damage. Like, you know, with that torching hot boiling water. And like my hair is already long enough. So imagine if it's like this and I dip my hair. Like half of my hair is like drenched in hot water. I think it's damaging. I don't know. I don't even know if that's a true fact, but it feels like it because that thing is hot, like boiling. I think this still like, it still has this smell. I used to love the smell. It smells like, it smells like honey. It is drenched. And this one girl, her name is Bianca Renee, she said that if you leave deep conditioner for more than 5 minutes, you're basically not doing anything. And in some cases, it's actually making your hair worse. I don't know how it works, but deep conditioner is meant for 5 minutes. Like, it's not meant for overnight. One thing I don't like about my hair is like, look at the length difference. It gets on my last nerve and I don't know why. I put oil and everything. How come this is all the way here and this is down here? Like, I don't get it. Like, by the way, the Miel rosemary oil, if you're losing hair in the front, if you have breakage, if you want your hair to grow anything, get this. Or I also heard that rosemary water does wonders to people's hair length and helps their hair grow. So you just get a rosemary and you boil it with water over the stove. You get that water, you drain the water, and you put it in something like this, and then you put it straight directly to your scalp. I really want to try it because I do want, the crown of my hair is really short, so I want to put it there. Well, I'm already done. That was a lot of water on my hair. So I'm gonna put my hair up like this. Then I'm gonna put plastic bags so that there's heat. Whenever there's heat and you deep condition, it's basically like steaming it, and it helps all the product get to your hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put plastic bag over my head, go in the shower, come back out, and then rinse it with cold water. Put it up like this for the night, no products, anything. And then I'm just gonna sleep. And then tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys the process of my sister braiding my hair, everything I put in my hair when I braid my hair, what hair I use, all the details. So I wasn't originally, my plan wasn't, you see the camera moving, I wasn't originally planning to blow dry my hair before braiding it because I don't consider that protective hairstyle. Yeah, so I don't consider putting heat on your hair and then braiding protective hairstyle. And I braid my hair to protect my hair, and I don't like heat on my hair. I really try to make it protective as possible. I'm putting heat and then dipping my hair in torching boiling water is not protecting my hair. And I do give myself like a couple times a year to straighten it. So I can consider this as like my straightening pass. My sister, who's braiding my hair, she said it's easier to braid hair with blow dry hair, which understandable, okay? Now, and I do want it as flat as possible to my head. So I'm blow drying it. As you can see, I'm already like halfway done. I only have this section left. I'm using the heat protectant Chi. It's not what I usually use, but I just found it and I'm like, let me just use this. So I'm gonna finish this and then we're gonna start on my hair. So my sister's gonna do my hair. She's here. You guys already saw half her personality, a quarter of her personality. Anyway, it's just gonna be quiet and I'm just gonna do my hair and let y'all come on the ride. Enjoy.
whole new person. I am done. So next, what I'm gonna do?
What she's gonna do? She's gonna put foam, and then we're gonna go get pizza. Then when we get back, she's
I'll have
going
to dip my hair. I don't really have edges. No edges. Lay me down. So I just dipped my hair and McLean put some foam to make it nice, to make it rapid, but this is basically it. Thanks for watching the whole thing. Hope this helped you and gave you an inspiration for a hair inspo. Bye! Oh, what was it? I said have a good night. Come again!